How's it going, everyone? So just came back from the car show. Sorry I couldn't film a whole lot, but the kids were there and they're just excited, so I couldn't get too much stuff done there, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll start uploading this right away. Peace! For the YouTube channel.
This is a YouTuber.
There's a Hellcat right there, Coop.
Oh, that might be what you saw.
You want to go look at the Hellcat?
Sure. The purple one?
Yeah. That's the Hellcat Red Eye.
I like this black one right here. That's pretty. This one's really cool.
I gotta keep everybody in line around here, so that's the whole point of that. I'm gonna get a shirt that says security. Car show's gonna be like?
Maybe.
No. No, not yet. Let's do a little bit more long. I know. He's okay. He's just taking it like
What car?
ooh, is that cool?
Oh, gotcha.
Look, there's drones.
Lily.
Very nothing like a big wish pot.
Should I just do something like that to the TRX? The lights? Studebaker.
Knock it off. He's fine.
Wow.
Classic one.
Okay.
Looks like that car's on the right hand side. That's a Supra.
You guys are about to tap out. That's an old-fashioned car. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That is an old-fashioned. Now we're playing.
It's like a 1940s.
See, if you take care of things in your life, they last. But
That's probably a Hellcat. Oh, it's Super B. Super B. 390. That's just. They
why
called
would
it.
you want to be that low to the ground? Like, you could not go over any bumps.
No.
Like, you go into a school.
So good.
Who are you, Josh?